You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this family, German surname, dynasty, or is it dynasty? If you want to learn more names from Germany and the history, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. The German pronunciation first is as Hohenzollern. 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 Now, in English, the pronunciation is similar. Let's break it down. Hohenzollern. Hohen, so the second H is not pronounced. It's not in German and it's not in English. So Hohenzollern. Hohenzollern. It's easy. Hohenzollern from German. Hohenzollern. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.